Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, March 15th, and this is my analysis of the pound yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the pound yen, I still believe pretty strongly that this is a wave A. I think it's very likely this is a 3 waves down for a wave B. I still think this is a 1, 2, 3, and I still think this is a wave 3. I don't even think we made the wave 4 and the wave 5 yet, and I still think it needs to go up to about the 100% Fibonacci extension to finish off this wave C, most likely take out the high of wave A and end up looking something like that. So taking it right down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, still no evidence for me that this is the end of a wave 3. Now I can make out a subdivision like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so we may actually be in the wave 5 of wave 3 right now. But even if we are in the wave 5 of wave 3, I mean, there's definitely no evidence that this is over. I actually think that this is very likely that it's going to take out the high of wave A on the monthly, maybe end up looking something like that before we actually start a big corrective wave 4, then another push up for a big wave 5. So, still in a wave 3 in my opinion. Taking it down to the daily time frame. I mean, we had a nice 5-wave pattern to the upside, but then what happened? It made 1, 2, 3 waves down to a fib level, and now it looks like it's going back up. The trend is definitely up on all the higher time frames. I see 3 waves down and a Fibonacci bounce and an engulfing move to the upside. That tells me that most likely it's just going to keep on trending up. So going down to the 4 hour time frame. So yesterday I was saying that possibly some of these yen pairs were going to go down in a bigger way, but the market definitely proved us wrong, I believe, by making an impulsive move down, 3 waves up, A, B, nice downtrend right here. This is the structure level right here that I'm really watching out for, which it looks like we're about to break. Most likely what I think is going on here is we have a 1, we have a 2, and this is probably just going to keep on going up in a wave 3 to form the rest of that pattern that I was showing on the weekly and monthly time frames. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, looks like we're finally breaking structure, which is great news. If this breaks and holds above this structure, I think it's going to confirm that this is a 1, this is a 2, and this is a wave 3. Now, I'm sure there's going to be some pullbacks along the way. I definitely would not be trying to go long right now. I'm actually long on this, but I'm long from way down here, and most of my members in the premium member area are also long from this morning. So I think this was a beautiful entry, and I definitely wouldn't try to get in now, but if I saw a decent little pullback, something like this, then I definitely would add to the position for potentially the continuation of what I believe could end up being a big wave 3. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is in the card up here above. And also don't forget to check out my brand new website, which is linked at the bottom left hand of the screen down here. So, as always, happy trading and good luck.